Now that we've got a folder of media ready for import, let's go into Premiere Pro and actually bring those files in. I've launched Premiere Pro here, and I'm just going to create a new project. Now, I'll browse to my drive, and I'll store the media and the project file together. There we go. Let's put this here in the Iota project, and we'll give this a name. We'll select the folder, and I'm going to call this MC for multicam _ stage 1. By enumerating the project file at key events, for example, after import, after sync, after the first rough cut, it becomes easier to go backwards in time. A lot of times during multi-camera editing, you're going to get feedback from different people, and I find it useful to have clean project files to jump backwards to. That's why I've named this Stage 1. All right, let's click OK, and it'll make a new project. I'm going to hide the preview area here by clicking on the subpanel menu and check my workspace for editing. There we go. Let's get some media here. If you are using an older version of Premiere Pro, when you import things, it's going to collapse them all into a single folder. However, the good news is that it's easier in the Creative Cloud 2014 or newer edition to import all of that media in. For example, if I go here to Organize, and I grab my source folder, and I click Import Folder, it brings in all of the assets. Let's dismiss that error, and we'll check out the files. You'll notice that that folder came in, and if I twirl this down, all the folders inside came in as well. Let's maximize this here. In this case, all of my organization structure of nested folders came across. This is a big improvement with the more recent edition of Premiere Pro. Now, if you're using an older version of Premiere Pro and you import a whole folder, everything will come in collapsed. In this case, I recommend you take the time to import each subfolder individually, and this will make it a lot easier to translate the organization on your hard drive into an organized project. Now that everything is imported, looks like I have all of my choices here. Across the board, it looks like everything has successfully come in, and I'm ready to actually start to analyze some of the content.